Hi. In this video, we will show you how to get rid of the doorbell notification. Here we go. Let's turn the doorbell on and turn it back off. If you are curious and want to use a new feature, or want to know what that feature does, please don't ignore any pop-up messages or warnings. Read through them so that you will prevent unwanted notifications. The tablet you see here is in an unstable location, so you may get yours turned off much faster than I do. The annoying sound comes up after you ignore this message. If you read through it, it tells you that the doorbell needs to be set properly before you turn it on. From this point on, the faster you tap the better. More likely you will tap once to cancel and another time to select your menu option until you turn the doorbell off. Due to the large volume of notifications in a short period of time, your indoor station may respond slowly. So after you turn it off, it is recommended to reboot the tablet. And if you don't know how, just unplug the power and wait for about 10 seconds, and plug it back in.